In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a star or half star rating in PowerPoint. Whether you're looking to enhance your presentation or add a bit of visual flair to your slides, learning this technique can be both fun and incredibly useful. Let's get started. First, you'll want to begin by opening PowerPoint on your computer. Once you have it open, locate the PowerPoint presentation you're working on. If you're starting from scratch or have an existing presentation that needs a little rating system boost, simply open the relevant file. Next, navigate to the Insert tab at the top of your screen. This is your go-to place for adding visual elements to your slides. After clicking on the Insert tab, look for the option labeled Shape. This allows you to add various shapes into your slides, which is crucial for this technique. Start by adding a star shape. The star will serve as the basis for your rating system. You can find the star shape under the Shape options. Click, then drag on your slide to set the star to your desired size. Feel free to resize or reposition it until it looks just right for your needs. Now, once more, head back to the Insert tab. Yes, we're going back because we're adding another shape. Click on Shape again, but this time you'll be selecting a rectangle. The rectangle is going to help you create the half star effect when you position it correctly. Position your rectangle over the star. The key here is to cover exactly half of the star with the rectangle. This will be crucial for the next step as you'll be creating the half star effect. It might take a bit of adjusting, so take your time to position it accurately. Once your rectangle is placed, you'll want to click first on the star shape, and then while holding down the Shift key, click on the rectangle. Doing this ensures that both shapes are selected together, allowing you to work with them as a single unit in the following steps. Head over to the Shape Format tab, which becomes available now that you have your shape selected. Under Shape Format, find the option labeled Merge. This feature will allow you to combine your shapes to create the half star design. Click on Merge and a submenu should appear. In this submenu, select the option called Subtract. What this does is subtract the rectangle from the star, effectively cutting away the portion of the star covered by the rectangle. This leaves you with a clean half star shape. Voila! You now have a half star that you can use as part of a rating system in PowerPoint. Customize it further by changing its color or size to fit beautifully with the theme of your presentation. Practice this a few times and you'll be creating perfect star ratings in no time. Enjoy your newly enhanced slides and the professional edge they bring to your presentations.